Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will walk you through how to set up email marketing on Shopify using Shopify email, and it will be a step-by-step beginner video. Whether you are launching a new store or looking to boost repeat sales, this guide will help you get started fast. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first of all, what is Shopify email? So Shopify email is Shopify's built-in email marketing tool. It lets you send newsletters and promotion email. Then it give you design emails using templates. Then it help you to track performance like open rates and clicks. And it's free for you for first 10,000 emails monthly. No third-party tool needed, and it's a built into your Shopify admin. So it is really easy to use. So let's go and let's install it in our Shopify store. So if you are new in Shopify, then you just need to click on start for free, or you can purchase the premium plan. So it's totally up to you how you make your plan. So I already have a trial version, and I just need to be logging into my dashboard. Just click on login. Once I click on login, then they will redirect us to that panel. Here you can see this is our dashboard panel. And if you want to view this front-end design, then this is our front-end design, and it already organized. So we are going to do work on it. So here now we need to install our Shopify email. So how we can do it? The process is really easy. You can click on this add apps, or instead you can select this one setting. Then you can visit this sales apps and sales channel options, and here you can find out this Shopify app store option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will open a new tab where you will redirect to Shopify app store, where you can find out bunch of apps which will be available for you to use. So here I will search Shopify email, or you will find out these sections called popular with store like your. Here you can see we already has in the past that called Shopify email. Just click over here, enter into this, and here you can see the rating out of 5 is 4.7, and here use directly in Shopify admin and based in Bangladesh, and also pricing free to install, additional charge may apply. And if you want to access to read the information, you are allowed to read it from that place. So now I'm going to install it. Just click over here into the install. Once I click over here install, then they will give us the option to install it. So here I will click on install. As you can see, it has been installed, and let's pin to your navigation. So I will pin it, so whenever I will come back to this dashboard panel, I doesn't need to find it by searching. So once I done, then here I'm going to explore this setting called template or setting. You can see it's unverified. So the email you store used to send emails to customer, manage its notification setting. So it is unverified. So I'm going to verify it. So let's visit our Gmail. Once I visit over that place, here you can see let's set up your store. Just click, and then you will get options like go to your store. So here how can I do it? To the email you store used to send emails to your customer. So manage notification setting. So here you can see send your email, confirm you have access to emails. Just click on resend verification. Verification email has been sent. So let's go come back to this panel, and here you can see we already get an email upon on verify your email address. Just select this one, and then here you will get the options called verify email. Then click over there, and here eventually your email will be verified. So here you can see it has been verified. Let's come back here and click on email, and let's visit on setting. Here you can see it has been verified, and here you can see we have this analytics option. So let's talk about before you send emails, you need subscribers. Here's how to get them. So the process is really simple. You just need to go to your online store, then theme and customization. Just click on online store, then you will get options like themes, and here you will find out the customization option. Click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the editing panel. Here you can select your page, which page you want to edit. So I already want to edit this homepage, so I'm going to add a section over this footer. So just select this one and find out newsletter sign up. So here you can see this is the email sign up. I will select this one and it will be added here. Subscribe to our email. So we already have one, but I want this one again. So I'm going to delete this one. Let's click on footer, and if you want to delete it, you are allowed to delete it. This one will be my custom one. So once I'm done, just customer who opt in at checkout and added to your email list, automatically you will see your subscribers under customer email subscription. So let's save it. Once I save it, now let's visit this online store from that panel again. Just click on I button, and if you scroll down, then here you can see I'm going to add this one. Let's subscribe one of them and click enter. Thanks for subscribing, and let's visit this dashboard panel and refresh it and click on email, and now you can see we have this template, and then click setting, and where is the setting option? We need to find out marketing and campaign tab. So you just need to create your campaign first, then you will get allowed to watch your subscribers. So let's click on create campaign, or you can create automations. So here I'm going to create a campaign, and here you can select your logo if you need it. So here you can see we can add our logo, then we can change our color. As you can see, we can change our color. So it's totally up to you what kind of design do you want to see. So here you can see footer will be my store name, address name, and my email, and whatever you want to add to link. So I'm going to click on next. Once I click over here, now you can see select a starting point. So I'm going to select one that will be announcement or holiday occasions. So you can choose your email template from that place. So I'm going to click on all, and I'm going to add this new product options, and then click on select. Once I'm done, then they will give us the option to like customize this whole interface. So you have the option like change your image, then you can change text, and you can change the headline. Like also you can see in the right corner, you can change the color, border color, and many things, or you can add section also over that panel. So this is really amazing to do. So upgrade your plan to send email. So you need to use the premium plan to use these send options. When you click on add selection, then you are allowed to add button. Let's click on button. Now you can change this button horizontal, like I am click on buy now. This one will be mine. Once I'm done, now I will click on send test, and let's click on send. Your store is blocked, you cannot send this test email. So you need to be premium plan to use this one. So once you're done, now you can easily allow to access this email template. So as you can see, I already give you whole procedure how you can set up your campaign. You can send your test mail and whatever you want, then you can choose this template from that place. Let's click on, and here you will find out this existing template. I already talked about it. So let's click on exit. So and that's how you can set up your email marketing in Shopify step by step. I recap you another time, that is I install Shopify email, then I try to collect subscribers, then I build and send your first campaign, then I track result and optimize. If this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to drop your email marketing question in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.